Oh, hey, didn't see you there.
Bam, bam.
What's going on, Bam Fam? I just wanted to give you guys an update. My bike is still in the shop.
What?
Getting painted. The wheels are getting painted. All of that good stuff. Powder coated, rather. Who here has ever just pretended to ride your motorcycle? Come on, let's be honest. Come on. Come on. Can't be just me. I'm dying to get my motorcycle back. So, hopefully it's gonna be back soon. We'll see. Haven't gotten any solid updates in a little while, so I'm probably gonna reach out and see what's going on there. However, we do have some things to surprise you with, but it's gonna be just like an initial impressions type of thing because obviously I don't have the bike, so I can't install it. Them. First off, we have Edward Ritchie Sissy Bar. This is hard mounted, and he did custom build me a plate that says Bam Bam 08X on it. Hopefully you can see that. So I'm very excited about this. It looks good. It looks so good. Just very, very, very high quality. The welds on it are robust, clean. Everything about this thing is just looks super, super good. Cannot wait to get this installed on the bike. Next. Now, keep in mind, I already had a seat. Why is this crooked? That's better. I had to get a new seat because the little piece here on my old seat, this piece, ripped off. Yeah. So I had to get a new seat because the stock seat, no, nobody likes the stock seat. And if you like the stock seat, you're lying to yourself. So what did I end up going with? Saddleman SDC seat. San Diego Custom Saddleman hybrid seat. This piece here is slick, and you can see I did the black with the red stitching. This piece here is slick, but this piece right here is the gripper, and oh my gosh, it is grippy. It's also gripper back here, which is amazing. The seat itself looks phenomenal. I can't wait to get it on the bike. And really cool, this wasn't on my old seat. Two things. One, this little rubber piece. This little rubber piece wasn't on my old seat, so, you know, it kind of messed up the fender a little bit. And two, the carpet on the bottom. That is just, that's over the top. And I like it. Initial impressions of these things, very high quality, very worth the wait. With the Sissy Bar, I ordered it on 31 December. I received it on 6 February? 6 or 7. It was right around there. And then the seat, I ordered it the week after. So I ended up waiting about 6.5, 7 weeks for the Sissy Bar. The seat, I ordered it a week after I ordered the Sissy Bar, and I received it a week before I ordered the Sissy Bar. So about 4 weeks, 4 to 5 weeks on the seat, 6 to 7 weeks on the Sissy Bar. Now, I am not sponsored by any of these fine companies here. And I did receive stickers. Ooh, they're inside. Hold on, I did receive stickers from Saddleman, not Edward Ritchie. But that's fine. Edward Ritchie, from my understanding, is a one-man operation doing all these things by himself. So good on him for having such a high quality and popular product. But here's the stickers from Saddleman. Boop. There is a QR code on the back. Product videos. There's a QR code on the back if you want to scan that. But anyway, yeah, can't wait to get these stickers on the bike. Can't wait to get these parts on the bike. Look at that land. That was a solid land. I am in quarantine currently. Caught the Rona. What? So, no idea where I caught it from, but I did. So I'm in quarantine until the 20th. Tell you what, the Rona sucked. I'm over the hump now, but holy God. I spent the first 3 days having severe, like, cold sweats. Like I was sweating, but I was freezing, but I was sweating, but I was freezing. And then I spent the next day after that with a severe migraine. Literally felt like somebody was trying to burrow their way out of the center of my forehead. And anytime I moved my head, it just throbbed. That was the worst. And now I've spent the past 2 days not being able to stretch or anything.
All right, let's start with a toe touch.
Because apparently I have pinched nerves in my hips from the Rona. I don't know. It is what it is. I thought I would get this video out to you anyway. Y'all deserve it. All right, guys, that's all I've got for the updates. Y'all stay safe out there. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bam Bam out.